So I am currently changing out my license plate lights because these do not work. Tested them out and you check it out. Lights, lights. Oh look, a glimmer of hope, but you can see nothing. So we have got some brand new lights from AutoX, and I'll put the link in the description. Let's see, it came nicely packaged, double packaged. And let me get those done. Open first. Okay, here we go. Auxito, that's the name. Global supplier for automotive lights. So you can get the lights for your particular vehicle. And we're gonna go ahead and put those in. I can't do this with one hand. Hold on. We're gonna do it. Okay, so they look really nice. That's good. And they came, I mean, plenty. Look how many lights I got. So I can probably put these in some other locations, hopefully. I'm gonna take 2 of these and I'm gonna put one here. Oh. Put one up here, hold on. All right, those are installed. Now let's see how they work. When I turn the lights on. Woo, shoot. Yeah, okay, now you're gonna see my tag. That is good. That is good. Okay. Let me get this up and put away. Okay. On the way right now. Y'all see me? I mean, that worked out beautifully. Excellent. Excellent lights. Now, I did break this off, and I might have to glue that back up, but oh, I can put that up. Hold on. Okay. We are all good. And everything is back up into place. We finally have lights. Now you see me. Now you see me. All right, well, appreciate it. Thank you. Auxito, I think that's how you pronounce it. But really good LED lighting. So check them out.